Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So as I've said in many other videos, the reason that we study math in school is because it applies to life outside of school. And today, percentages is something that applies a lot to powerlifting. When you train in the sport of powerlifting, you train at a percentage of your 1 rep max, and you lift a certain number of reps at that percentage. So it's my first workout of the new powerlifting training program I'm doing. And my workout for today is 2 sets of back squats, 2 working sets of back squats at 70% of my max. Now, obviously you start with really lightweight, you start with the bar, and you do a lot of other sets to warm up to those final 2 sets. But final 2 sets, 70% of my back squat max. My actual back squat max is 374 pounds. But when you're training, a lot of times it's good to go with a working max that's slightly under your actual max. Like 374 pounds is the most that I've ever lifted, ever. Don't know if I can hit that consistently every single day, so I am going to go 5 pounds lighter than that for my working max. So for this video, I'm going to be calculating the percentage for my first workout. So I have to find 70% of 369, because again, 369 pounds, 5 pounds lighter than my current max, but that's my working max. That's the working max I'm going to be going with for this program. So when we calculate percentages, 70% as a decimal would equal 0.7. So 70%. This is how you would write 70% as a decimal. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply 369 times 0.7 times 70%. Now, when you're multiplying percentages, a good strategy is you multiply it as if you were multiplying any whole number. Then at the very end, you move the decimal point over in its correct place. But don't let the decimal point throw you off. Multiply just as you would multiply any whole number, and then at the end, at the very end, then you move the decimal point over. So now I'm gonna get right into it. So first thing, we'd multiply the digits in the ones place. So 9 times 7 is 63. Since our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. So we're going to put the 3 in the ones place. Carry the 6 over. So now I have to add that 6 to whatever my answer is to multiplying the digit in the tens place times the digit in the ones place. So 6 times 7 equals 42. Plus 6 equals 48. Again, we have to regroup because our product's more than 10. 8 carry the 4. Three times 7 equals 21. Plus 4 equals 25. So now we have all our digits. Now the final step is we have to move the decimal point over in its proper place. When we multiply whole numbers, it's understood that the decimal point is behind all the numbers, but we usually don't put the decimal point in the problem. The decimal point's invisible in problems where we're just multiplying whole numbers. But here, since we're at multiplying a decimal, the final step is we have to move the decimal point over. So since the decimal point is in front of the digit here, it needs to be in front of the digit here. So I'm going to move the decimal point over. So the decimal point that's behind all the digits is going to go in between the 8 and the 3. So we have our answer. So I am going to be lifting 258.3 pounds for 10 reps. So that's my workout for today for back squat. And then I may throw in some Olympic lifts just for like an additional thing if I can get to that before it gets dark out. Now usually I allow everybody on YouTube to see me lift as part of the video, but my neighbor, he's playing music right now, and I do not want to get copyrighted. YouTube is actually very, very strict about if they hear music in the video, they give you copyright claims, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So if the music's still playing, I might not be able to show you the actual workout. If it isn't playing, if the music's off, then I might be able to do another video showing you the actual workout. But if not, we are going to call it a day. Thank you so much for tuning in. And leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you found this video interesting. Let me know if you want to know more about powerlifting. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Have a great rest of the day, everybody.